everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 courses which you can do it for free, that is a data analytics courses with certificate. By the end of completing these topics which they have covered, so you will be getting a certificate. Okay, so let us see the very first one, which is by Google. Okay, so you can see here that this is by Google Data Analytics Certificate. Let us just scroll down and see more about it. So here you can see that it will be 100% remote online, which you have to do it, and you have a hands-on practice based training. Okay, so once if you scroll down, you can see a few more things that about. Okay, so you can see it's a data type, structures and curriculum. The complete curriculum you will be understanding. You will have nearly 8 courses here to complete. Okay, so where you can find this is available in Coursera. Once if you click here, it will take you to the Coursera, where you can learn about this particular thing. Okay, so let it load. So here you can see that it is available in Coursera. Once scroll down, you can see more about every courses. Okay, so as I told you, have 8 to 9 courses, and by the end of this course you will have a capstone case study project. Okay, once if you complete this project, you will be getting a certificate, and of course upon completing every individual course, you will be getting a certificate. For example, if I enroll in this course, foundations, data everywhere, so after completing this, you will be getting a certificate. And once if you complete the complete all the courses, you will be getting a master certificate. Okay, so here you can see, you can just get the financial aid option here. Okay, this is a financial aid available. So how to apply for the financial aid, that you can get it in my channel itself. So here, this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks channel. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed so far, please go and subscribe it. And if you want to join as a member to get an exclusive access, perk access, and to get a monthly PDF books and everything, so you can join here. Okay, so once if you subscribe, even if you just go here, scroll down, you can see Skill Up, which is a playlist where I'll be posting all the free courses. Okay, everything related to free courses. So you can, if you click here, you can see the very first one, which is Coursera paid courses for free with certificates, and how to apply for the financial aid. Just to follow this and apply for the financial aid, you have to apply for the individual course. Okay, so for first you have to apply for this course. It will take nearly 14 to 15 days of time to start the course. So just wait for it. You will get a mail, receive a mail upon acceptance of your financial aid. Okay, so where you can easily do it, and you have to log in for this. Okay, this is the very first course. And let us go to the second course, which is provided to us by Skill Up. Okay, Skill Up, which is by SimplyLearn. So once if you scroll on, you can see here on the right side, it's a free, and it is 3 hours of course, and you will get a course completion certificate and 90 days of access. So you can get the free access on 90 days. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is just scroll down so that you can see here what are the topics which they are covering. So course introduction, data analytics overview. So see here, you can see what is everything about data analytics, dealing with the different types of data and data visualization for decision making. Okay, how you can create a data visualization, data science methodology, everything, which is nearly 3 hours. Once you complete this, you will be getting this certificate from SimplyLearn, which is a Skill Up. Okay, so the third important free certification provided to us by Great Learning. Okay, this is Introduction to Analytics. So you will be getting here, you can see, you can just enroll it for free. You will be getting a course completion certificate upon completing this course successfully. Just scroll down. So it is a 1 hour of self-paced lecture where you will be getting all the details about what is analytics and why do we need it exactly. So just scroll down to see more about what are the content which are available here, what is business analytics, examples, and if you click view more, you will see descriptive analytics and everything. Okay, already many have enrolled here, so click here, enroll for free, in order to gain the access. So for everything you have to just log. Okay, that is the very first thing. You have to log in, even in Coursera. So for Google you have to go to the Coursera, and in Coursera you have to log in here. Okay, and as well as in Skill Up SimplyLearn, you have to log in. If you don't have the like username and password, you have to sign up initially, and then you can log in and you have to click start learning. And finally you can see here in Great Learning also, you have to just sign up first. Okay, and then you have to enroll for free. Okay, you will be getting the access to all these courses for free. And only for Coursera course you have to wait at least for 14 to 15 days in order to accept your financial aid application. So it is like loan application where you are asking for zero cost course. Okay, so the complete details about how to apply for that, what are the various thing which you have to give, like you have to enroll. Okay, everything is given here in this video. You can just go and watch it, where you can see like how to log in, how to enroll, how to sign up, and how to fill the form. Everything I have given here very clearly. Okay, like what are the content you have to give, like what is the description you have to enter, how you can get the access for free. So completely I have discussed here, so please go and check it. So that's all about the today's session, today's video. And in the next video I'll be talking, so every Thursday I'm planning to post the courses, that is free courses on anything. Okay, like today I have discussed about data analytics, so the next week I may discuss about the machine learning. And if you want any course to be discussed, please let me know. I will tell you free courses with certificate for you to do that, so that you can add it in your resume. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.